Okay, here's a short video of the new single leg pedestal Rosie. She's got the 3 wheels that's more customary to the cartoon drawn one. Put it on a pose, kind of look like she's zooming along. And put in a tighter spring in this one. I may go to a weaker spring if I make another one. You can see it moves along quite nicely, as opposed to the original dual leg version. This was the aggressive lean one. One thing that I did on this version is, even though I have the mechanics and the weight inside leaning like I do in the aggressive one, I put the body straight up and down, so the mass will still throw everything forward, and yet the robot can look like it's standing straight up and down. So it's kind of a nice little compromise there between the two. And also you can see that both these are printed in a lighter powder puff blue, to be more like in the comic book drawings, than the darker blue that I did in the original robots.